Hello once again, you're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking into how to make this organic soap with honey and turmeric. You know the benefits of honey and the turmeric on the body. They help against anti-inflammatory and also they help against acnes. Remove the acnes on the body. And of course, it also moisturizes the skin, making the skin well hydrated. If you don't want your skin to be dehydrated, you need a combination of turmeric and the onion, and of course it helps to make the skin glow. Is that what you desire to learn? It's very simple. I've made it as simple as possible on this video. You are really welcome. Cutting the soap, you will see that you can see the sweetness and the good side of the onion and turmeric they're giving us. Okay, make this for yourself. Also, you make it for sale. Make it and package it, and you are good to go. You begin to cash out your money. Okay, now if this is what we want, let's quickly get into the business. Stay till the end of it. Watch to the end and you will benefit so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and then don't forget to share it and comment. So let's get into the business. Okay, preparing my ingredients. This is the bleached palm oil. I'll be using bleached palm oil. There are two ways you can use it. You can bleach your palm oil, you can bleach with fire, and you can bleach with chemical. But this one is bleached with fire because if you are using for bathing soap, as much as possible, avoid too much of chemical in the soap. Okay, so this bleached palm oil is 200 grams. And I have the caustic solution here, which is lye. I've pre-soaked it, and so I have in it the caustic soda is 26 grams, while the water is 53 grams. Other things I show is the turmeric, the glycerin that I'll be using to add it to it. And so having prepared your oil, you pour your caustic solution into it and then you mix. Don't be like me, oh please. When you are adding lye, please make sure you put on your gloves. Very important. Put on your gloves so that there is no split over of the chemical on your skin. The lye solution is a bit corrosive, so you must be very careful. I took note that the cup was smaller for the mixture, so I transfer it to this bigger bowl. Don't forget to join my online classes, and if it's offline you prefer, the number is written on your screen. Okay, so if you take note of the batter at this moment, it was almost forming thick trace from beginning. Take this warning. Once you want to make your soap, make sure your oil is a bit warm. Make it is warm so that your soap doesn't form thick trace quickly. This one is still within, it's not too thick. And then what you saw me add is 5 mils of honey. Okay, you need a glowing skin. You need honey in your soap, and that's what you see me add, and then I mixed. Okay, if at this time you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and share it. Share it to 1 or 2 people. Share it on your groups. Share it in your community. And so the next thing I'm adding is the turmeric. And then you mix it. And then if you don't want age, you don't want your body to age quickly, until the turmeric will help against aging. Okay, it's a kind of they have anti-aging properties. So it can be okay for your soap. Okay, so you mix it, and then at this time around you can add your fragrance, and then of Of course, your glycerin also help to moisturize your body, keep the skin moistured, not dry, so that your skin doesn't begin to crack and give a scaling experience. Okay, so you mix, and like I've always said, as much as possible when you are mixing it, don't let it form thick trace while you are still mixing it. Don't let it form thick trace before you pour it into the mold of your choice. Any mold of your choice is okay. Okay, please like it and share. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. Thanks so much. And then for those who are just coming to my channel today, I'm sure you will join our family to also become a returning. Please keep returning to watch the other videos. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. Like I said, every ingredient you are putting, the glycerin, turmeric, the onion, the fragrance, make sure they are well incorporated into it. Mix it thoroughly. If not, your soup can begin to sweat, and then it might become one side is well mixed, the other side is not well mixed, so you might not get a perfect mixture. So what you should do is make sure they are well mixed. Be patient, don't hurriedly do it. And then what is the next thing we do? We pack it into the mold of your choice. I use this one for tutorial, so that's why I'm using this. Pack it and then leave it. Once you follow the recipe I did, which is very simple, it's a simple recipe. If you follow the measurement, you will get perfect soap. And then in the next 5-6 hours, or at most 24 hours, it will be very strong for you to unmold it. Okay, please always wear your gloves, wear your protective gloves. Okay, I appreciate your staying till now. Thank you so much. If you have stayed till now, let me see what to produce, and let's see at the comment section. Let me hear from you. Can you say it's glossy? In fact, shiny. It has not yet dry and shiny. So good. Thank you so much. Okay, our soap is ready. This is the result of the soap. See how it is coming out very fine. And then you just break out, unmold it, and then when you are using this kind of plastic, please, you can still put oil, though I didn't put oil in my oil, just to make it easy to come out. Or better still, you use a silicone mold. That one is the perfect one for all this kind of thing. They come out so well without any hindrance. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.